Good morning, traders. So today is Sunday. It is about 8:52 a.m. my time. The market's open at around 3 p.m. my time. No, 4 p.m. One of those times. I just never really keep track on those. Um, so we're gonna look at three pairs today. I got two on the radar. I want to share euro dollar real quick. I don't have this on the radar. So last week we ended with this head and shoulders right here, if I can draw it on correctly, and then we were at this right here, and I was hoping it was gonna pull up just a little more so we can get a entry signal, because I tried to trade the right shoulders because I don't really, I've never really tested the break line and pullback of that because the risk reward is so much greater on the right shoulder than it is on the break of the neckline. So that's what I do, but we did not get that. We're still consolidating. I mean, we can still get that pullback here because we have not broken the neckline, but that's about it. I do want to share this real quick. So we did have three patterns back to back. So first one, we had these last two I took, but this last one I did not. So we have, I think they're all bats. So yeah, bat right here. I'm just gonna draw them all real quick. I'm not gonna measure them out because that takes too much time, and then just take my word for it. If you don't want to, you can just go ahead and measure them out by yourself. But yeah, they're all in the 60. Like, that's what I trade. So I think I got target ones on this one. I hit target ones. They were right around here, and then they got break even. And then of course, after it hits me at break even, it goes back up. But then we have one right after that one, which is right here. And I hit target ones for this one as well, but then so my break even was like 3 pips above this one, and the spread hit it, and then it just went down. And I was like, you son of a B word, because of course it would hit my target ones and then hit me out for break even again. But this is the last one that formed. It's a quick one. The reason it is not valid for me is because I did not see this before, but but then after a while I had my entries on, but then I realized that this is the same leg. So the B and C leg, or I mean the A and B leg, is actually the same leg, and that makes it invalid for me. And also another thing that hit is the X leg has been violated, so that's another thing that's invalid for me. So the 3 patterns in a row, but last one is not valid, so I'm not taking it. We're currently at entry right now, but I just wanted to share that that's actually not valid for me. Okay, let's jump into the pound dollar. And what I'm looking at is a head and shoulders. So we are currently trading down. What I'll be looking for, I'll draw those head and shoulders out. And I want to see it just go a little bit down. Something that makes this a great head and shoulders is the head actually hits the bottom of this. You can't really see it with my line, but it hits the bottom of this wick. So now we have structure there. So now we have created structure. All we need is it to come to this shoulder line, and I can look to get in. There's another head and shoulders that I tried to trade on the right shoulder, right over here, on the pound dollar. Are we on? Yeah, we're on 240. So, okay, right here. So we did hit the shoulder line. We did consolidate that shoulder line. So. But unfortunately it lost, but now we're creating another one, so that's what I'll be looking for on that. And then lastly, let's go to the dollar yen. And we left off last week on this head and shoulders that I was looking at. I remember because I have it in front of me. I actually reviewed the video I put. We left on this candle right here. So we did get a pullback, but we got a pullback without the break, so it didn't really matter. And then we broke it, and we did get this small pullback. I did not trade this because I was not paying attention, and I don't know if I got a clear signal anyway, so it wouldn't matter. But now we got even lower, so now we're in the middle of a good zone, because I will be looking to get in on this pullback and trade it down. I don't know, it's going to be difficult, but I need a clear signal so we can head on down and get into this trend trading trade. And yeah, that is basically all I have on the radar. I'll be looking for targets down at the lows. We do have a sneaky level here that I will be paying attention to. 107 even almost. No, that's a little above that. So 107.07, and then the bottom level 106.80s, around there, and that's it. So that's my target projections. That we need a clear signal to get in, and we will see how it happens. So that's all I got for this week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.